As-Salaamu Alaykum Wa Rahmatullahi Wa Barakatahu Guys. Now I know what you're thinking. What's going on with you, Josh? What's up with the energy, bro? Where's the high level energy that we're expecting from you? Well guys, this right here, this is my best attempt at not snapping on a fool. For reasons, well, I'll let you figure out. Yo bro, are you Amish? Nah bro, I'm Muslim. Okay. Hey man, you mind if I get that car for you? What? Hey, are you from Duck Dynasty? No bro, I'm Muslim. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Can I get your autograph? Get my autograph? What are you talking about, dude? No, you're the guy from ZZ Top, right? ZZ Top, dude? Oh my god, I'm a Muslim. I swear, the next person that says something stupid to me about my beard, it's gonna get these hands. I'm telling you, bro, that's what I said. Look at a load of this guy. Hey, check this out. Hey, dude, can I touch your beard? Stay calm. Stay calm. Well, this guy feels much better. As-Salaamu Alaykum Wa Rahmatullahi, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Josh here with another video, guys. You've already seen the title. In today's video, we're going to talk about my 3 a.m. morning routine. That's right, 3 a.m. where I go over my workout, my beard care routine, and my skincare routine. The reason why I'm doing this video, guys, well, it's pretty simple. You asked for it. I got some DMs, I got some messages, some comments down below asking about my routine, my beard care, etc. On top of that, I get this question all the time. Hey, Ak, when do you go work out? I want to go work out with you. Then I tell them the time and they say, yeah, that's not going to work for me, masalam. And also I get questions like, bro, how do I get a beard like that? Do you trim your beard? What do you do to take care of your beard? Etc, etc. So if that sounds interesting, guys, let's jump in. All right, guys, I'm not going to bore you with any fake waking up or fake alarms. You know that's all fake, right? We're going to jump right into it. So this is the first thing I do in the morning, guys. I work out. As you can see here, I'm warming up at the bar. If I do not work out, guys, I am a grumpy individual, much worse than I was in the intro. I'm not really sure what I was doing with my head right there. Really don't know. Without my trusty pre-workout from Transparent Labs, guys, working out this early would be short of impossible. As you see here, dude, I'm about to do 315 on the bar. I believe it's 143 kilos for my guys overseas. This is supposed to be at a triple, and we're about to find out. I'm going to let you hear in real time. Let's go. Come on, come on. Go, 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 go. And here it is in reverse for no particular reason. Hopefully I don't get a copyright claim. That's not a triple for sure, not today. That was definitely not an RPA. Guys, if you want to support the channel, if you get value from the channel, hit that first link in the description because that is one of 3 guys that I needed to help me shoot today's video. If you hit that first link, it's going to get you $20 off your first order of Transparent Lab supplements. I stand by them. I use them every single day. Guys, no morning routine would be complete without Salatul Fajr. So typically after my last set of my first workout, it's time to pray. So I drop everything. Literally, I go pray Salatul Fajr and that gives me just enough rest time before I got to go hit my next exercise for the day. Right there, that is a number 2 guy that I needed to help shoot the video. Just did a single there. And then this overhead press I do for 6 reps. This is supposed to be at an RP 9, possibly an 8. I was feeling relatively strong that day. Alhamdulillah for that. Next, we're on a close grip bench, man. Sets of 8 at RP 8, 160 pounds. Feeling pretty good. Had to blur out the footage, guys, because there were some women that were unfortunately dressed inappropriately, and wanted to block that out for you guys. And that right there, guys, is the end of my set. Another workout in the books, guys. Alhamdulillah for that. Gains, bro. All right, alhamdulillah. So now we're going to head on home. I got to make ghusl because today's Jumu'ah. Going to do my skincare routine and my beard routine. I'm going to show you guys what's up. If you want to step up your game when it comes to your beard, fellas or sisters, if you're watching, share this with your husbands, share this with your brothers, share this with your dad. Share this with everybody, man, because everybody deserves to have a great beard. Warning, guys, this next scenes, I do have my shirt off. You're going to see my bare chest And if that's something that makes you uncomfortable, no problem, sorry for that. But that is going to be the following sequences. So if you're uncomfortable, you have to tune out here. Step numero uno, conditioner. Add that right in the beard, man. Nice and gentle. Be gentle with the beard, guys. No need to rough it up. It's just going to cause split ends. Secondly, Pumice Stone. This is a game changer, guys. This helps you manage your calluses. Add some soap to it. Well, okay, not that much. Circular rotation. Nice and gentle, guys. Nice and gentle. Face wash. Use any type of face wash you want. I don't care. I use Tiege Hanley, but use whatever you want, guys. Just wash your face, man. Make yourself nice and good looking for your wives. Scrub. Go ahead and exfoliate. Again, guys, this is to make yourself handsome and sexy. Pat dry your beard, guys. No need to rough up the beard. It's just going to cause split ends and tear hair unnecessarily. Start from the middle of the beard and make your way up to the top as you see me here. Again, you just don't want to tear out hair unnecessarily. Grab you some beard oil, guys. Whiskey and Lace. I know it's a crazy name, but it's the best brand that I've ever used personally. It smells the best and it's just the best stuff I've ever used. Throw it through your beard. Make sure you're hitting the roots, guys, and then once you throw it in with your hands, go ahead and comb it on through. Make sure to get under the neck as you see me here. Really hitting them roots, man. Next up is your beard balm, guys. This is the stuff that helps you hold your beard in place. It's the closest thing that I can get to making my beard look like it's trimmed. I do not trim my beard because I follow the opinion. You either let it grow or you cut it at fist length and nothing in between. You don't shape it up or nothing like that. It goes against the sunnah, in my opinion. You're gonna see me use a comb. Guys, this is a 6-year-old comb that I've used every day, and it's brand spanking new. Get yourself a real comb because the ones that you use at the dollar store or Walmart, they're too sharp and they're gonna cause split ends. Next, I don't know why I'm making that duck face. Got me some of that pomade or I have no idea why I just did those fingers. Go ahead and get that through the entire hair, of course. Mohawk. Grab your trusty hair dryer, and you want to start by combing up. This is going to basically help you if you have a curly beard like I do. I have no idea what all the faces are about. And then you can start from the left to the right. That's me showing that my beard is as wide as my comb. Hashtag beard goals. Now guys, when you're combing to the right or to the left or up at the beginning, you want to use warm air, and then when you're combing down like you see me here, you want to use cold air to lock it in place. I usually just throw my beard on my chest, and I don't like such a narrow beard, so that's why I'm doing that. Just a personal preference. Next, guys, you want to grab your hair dryer and blow dry in the direction that you want your hair to go. Now, I know that sounds like common sense, but most guys do not know that. Gotta step your game up, y'all. Next, you want to grab a little bit of extra pomade, guys, and just take care of any loose or stray hairs that you couldn't grab at the beginning. Next, guys, you want to grab some eye cream. Again, be gentle, guys. That's very delicate skin under your eyes. Then some AM moisturizer. This one, I believe, has an SPF of 20, which basically just means it helps with protecting your skin against the sun. To finish off, guys, we're using Dolce & Gabbana, the one for men. I'd give this an 8.5 out of 10. Man, that stuff is so good. And that, guys, is how you go from this to this. What's going on in here? I was just closing out the show, bro. Just, closing out the video. Oh, no. No, Yahi, I love you for the sake of Allah, but you're an embarrassment right now. I'm just telling you. Like, look at our audience. They're literally embarrassed that they're subscribed to us right now. They're second guessing their decision. Really? Are you guys embarrassed? You sure they're not just looking at us because we're doing a clone thing? No, it has nothing to do with the fact that we're doing the clone thing again. It has everything to do with you being an embarrassment. So what I need you to do, go back and watch the video, listen carefully to the tips that I give, and get yourself cleaned up, because we gotta go to Jumu'ah, bro. You can't be looking like this. And that, guys, is my 3 a.m. morning routine. If you got value from today's video, if you found it educational or maybe entertaining or education-attaining, I don't know what word that is. I was just trying to combine the two. You know what I'm saying. Drop your boy a like down below because it truly does help the channel. If you have any other questions or recommendations or things you want to see, let me know down in the comments below because this is how this video came about. Alhamdulillah. You guys wanted it and I shot it. So let me know if you have anything else you want to see. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that notifications bell because I drop 2 new videos every single week, every Monday and every Thursday. And inshallah, you don't want to miss it. Until then, thank you so much for watching. Jazakallah khairan. Barakallahu feekum. As always, stop worrying about yesterday and stop fearing tomorrow. Make your day great, and I will see you in the next one.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allah